This is Monday morning, 6:30 a.m. at the moment anyway. Light is coming, and so are the chemtrail planes, folks. Looks like the sky's on fire. And the dyer above, all this cotton wool effect stuff here, is again this nucleated stuff, this engineered cool down, this fake weather they call a whiplash. Breathing all these particulates from this jettisoned shit here in. Breakfasting? Yes, you, greedy boy. Oh, the sky is turning purple now. The sun due up at some point over there. But you can see all around me now this purple haze. See it in the distance. See it through the tree line here. Completely surrounded by this purple. You see it this lithium glow, this reflective colour from things like lithium, aluminium, etc. See it getting brighter, glowing more. It is a cause for concern for me, folks. I've done a lot of research on this, where other people don't do any research whatsoever. And remember, Wikipedia, Google and such searches are not searches at all, folks. It's not research. It's just laziness, born idleness. You see this purple, as the sun makes its ascent now all around the UK, where I am here anyway, folks, mid Wales. Does it look appetising and appealing to you, folks? Come on. Good girl. I've got to try and get 40 minutes walk out of these two if possible. Look at that contrast here. You know, shouldn't it all be the same colour? Being all in the same sky, all at the same time, at the same heights. So what causes this distortion, folks? From these to these to this. It's a magnificent sky being painted and tainted, airbrushed and graffitied with these aircraft. This is jettisoned from aircraft. I've been awake since 4 a.m. and these aircraft have been continuous. And do me a favour, folks, don't support the propaganda of the shit that's taking place over in Iran and Israel. Try and not support it. Don't buy the newspapers. Don't tune into the news reports, because you're not being told the truth, folks. It's all a game. It's all about money and power and screwing the rest of us, folks. Seriously. You know, and if you are watching what's going on. Just be careful what you believe. Just, you know, watch how this so-called war is being presented to you, folks. Glorifying the death of our fellow fucking human beings, folks. Babies in incubators being dragged out of hospitals and things that have blown up or been blown up. You know, be suspicious of everything. Anyway, for now I'll shut up and I'll get these two back for a bit of breakfast, I think.